Hey, before starting this Excel setup, I have shared you one downloadable PDF. In that you can easily find a step-by-step process to install Excel in your system if you don't have the installation of the Excel. For this current course, I am going to use Excel 2019. I have shared you the PDF. You can easily download that PDF and follow all the steps to complete the setup in your system about MS Excel. So to start that and how we can find and open our Excel, so just you need to do, go to your start and just type Excel because it is already installed in my system. I just click enter. After clicking, first time when you open the Excel, it will look like this. This interface will come in front of you as you can see on screen. So these are some predefined templates which are offered by MS Excel. Like you can also type for the business, personal, planner, whatever you want. There are many templates, predefined, pre-written templates are there. But for our course, we will start from the very basic, we can say from the scratch. So just I'll open this blank Excel. After opening, this Excel will look like this. This is the interface of the Excel. There are many things like file, home, insert, page layout, formulas, data. We will see all this stuff one by one. Basically, this is known as the ribbon, the Excel ribbon. And this is the quick access bar. In that we have the save option. We can, by this, for example, I write some of the things here and I have some data and I want to save this Excel. Then by clicking on this button, you can save the Excel. When you click on this save, it will ask you the many options. So we will see all this stuff. So this is how Excel interface will look like. We will see these all things one by one. And for closing the Excel, you just need to close this. And if you want to save this, then you can save, otherwise don't save it. If you like this video and the video content, please do subscribe to our YouTube channel so that you can get all the updates, all the future videos and the courses available on this channel. Thank you.